Lately, we've been blessed here at Coyote Classics to have a handful of S-codes come through the dealership, and most of them have been Mustangs. This one here is a Fairlane, factory Fairlane S-code GTA. The S-code meaning came factory with 394 barrel. This one we bought locally here a little while back and underwent kind of a recent restoration. A really solid, super clean car to begin with, and they did the restoration, rebuilt the transmission, had the motor rebuilt. And listen to it idle. It just sits there and idles. So nice, smooth, and quiet. Just walk up to it. By the sound of it, you wouldn't guess the kind of horsepower this thing would have made from the factory. You know, it's just got a really nice dual exhaust on it, but nothing radical. Good running 390. Previous owner said he had that engine rebuilt. Got a new carburetor as well. He said he had the transmission rebuilt by a shop here in Clarksville, Iowa. No power steering, no power brakes, but that's how a lot of these factory, higher performance cars came from the factory with less options. You wouldn't have the power steering because it took away from the horsepower. But I love the color combination on this as well. That dark green metallic is really pretty. It's got a lot of metallic in it.
Yeah.
I'd call this a really nice local car show quality, driver quality Fairlane. We just sent it out and had it was fresh paint done a few months ago, but it needed a wet sand and buff. So we sent it to our local body shop, had him wet sand and buff it, and he did a wonderful job. You look across the hood, now it's really nice and smooth, nice finish, lots of metallic in that. Grill's in good shape, you got your GT emblem there. Headlight bezels are original, but they are nice and clean. Front bumper's got a great shine. And really nice gaps too. The hood lines up excellent to the front and to the tops of the fenders. I love the 390 hoods with those scoops. Hood fits excellent to the cowl and to the fender. Tops of the fenders are really nice and straight. Nice straight body. There's your GTA badging. Couple little paint chips there on the door, maybe have been touched up. Corner of the door fits excellent. Rocker's really nice and solid. And the undercarriage is beautiful. It was really nice, original undercarriage, all painted red oxy primer. Beautiful job there. Up over the roof looks great. Quarters are very straight and line up well with the door. Door panel looks good. Door rubbers are new. Corner of the door is rust-free, never had any work done. And the story I got from the previous owner who restored the car said he started with the car the way it was, just really solid, original, rust-free metal. Didn't have to do any metal work. That's always a good sign. Bucket seats look great. A lot of padding, line up nice. The back seat look like that was all recovered as well. Back package tray is nice with 6x9s. Dome light works. Headliner is really nice and tight. It's got the correct console, Fairlane GT emblem. Dash pad looks good. You have one little rise right here by the defrost vents. Taillight bezels, just like the headlight bezels, those are original. You can see some just little pitting there. But bumpers have been replaced. Those look excellent. Dual exhaust sounds good with some nice tips. Here's your quarter stamping. On this side too. Good clean trunk. And this lip here too, you can tell it never had any rust or fill. Really nice seam. It's just got a great look. I like that color a lot.
Oh, I do too.
Especially with the Cragars. Good stance. Driver's side's really nice and straight, just like the passenger side was. Door fits excellent to the quarter and to the front fender.
It's got such a
This here is just a little buffing compound left over in that crack from the wet sand and buff. It just takes a couple washes usually for that to come out. But here's a good shot of that metallic, that emerald green.
It's got such a deep metallic in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Roof is nice and straight. couple little paint chips been touched up there. Just a couple little rock chips. Got a little scratch right here. A couple chips there. Look how that door fits. You're not going to get one to line up and fit any better than that. Again, both doors are perfect. Just super clean, never had any work. Factory seam right there. Door panel's in good shape. Your dome lights work in the door panels, courtesy lights. Door rubbers are good. Roof rail rubber also looks like that was replaced. Same thing with the window felts, those are nice and clean. Driver's side seat looks good. I don't see any issues or any issues in that seat. Steering wheel, original steering wheel. Cool car. Let's drive it. Down here you have gas gauge, temp gauge, and oil pressure. Horn works. Wipers work. And then he added this radio here. It's got a really nice idle, nice cam.
Yeah, it does.
So many of these, whenever they put a big block in these, well, Mustangs, especially, it's such a big motor, sometimes you get some rattles or vibrations. This one's just really nice and smooth. Radio works. Odometer shows 33,619 miles. It's a cool car. I love these GTAs or Fairlane GTs. You just don't see too many of them. We've had a couple over the years, but I'd say out of all the cars we get a lot fewer of these.
Yeah.
Really nice and smooth. Tranny shifts well. Yeah, Danny did a wonderful job buffing that out. You can see the reflection of the trees and stop sign in the hood. Turn signal indicator works in the dash, speedometer works. Really nice and tight too. When it came in, I think we did a little front end work and had an alignment done on it, and it goes down the road awesome. Really nice and tight. It's got some more highway gears in it too. I'm guessing low threes as far as the gear ratio. 70 miles an hour. It's not wrapping out. A lot of performance going down the highway. Like I said, it's not real steep gear, so it's not a it's not a stoplight to stoplight car, which is nice. So many of these Fairlanes with the big blocks, they put 411 gears or something like that in it, and you can't drive it down the highway like this. Brakes feel great too. Trips are going in a second. 60 mile an hour.
It wants to go
up into third.
Fast into third, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You got to get it going.
This is a sweet car. I'm really impressed with the way this thing drives. 80 miles an hour, one finger on the wheel. It's a good car. You can tell they started with just a good, original, solid car and did a great job rebuilding it.
Yeah, definitely a fun cruiser.
It is. It is, it is. Temp gauge works. You got 45 pounds oil pressure going down the road as we're warmed up. Gas gauge is working. Wipers work. The only thing I didn't check was the heater fan. We'll check that once I turn this corner here.
Yep, it works.
Heater fan works. Wipers work. It's awesome. Great car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.